3D printers are amazing tools, and it's awesome that they're affordable enough for most people to use now. But how exactly should we be using them? Some are saying that they should only be used to print what you designed and modeled, but is that really realistic for most hobbyists? The 3D printing community wouldn't be where it is if it weren't for people contributing to it. And I'm all for that. The key is giving back in a way that you're comfortable giving back. You can give a variety of different things back, such as entertainment, how-to videos, you can give some knowledge, the STL files them. And as the saying goes, a jack of all trades is a master of none. And that rings true for 3D printing as well, especially when you've just begun. Getting a print to come off the build plate correctly is a huge task in and of itself when you're a beginner. And if you tack on 3D modeling that you might not necessarily already know, designing if you want it to kind of look a little good, some post-processing and painting, then 3D printing becomes something that's a high barrier for entry skill-wise kind of task. And the concern there is that if there's some kind of unspoken pressure to always design and engineer whatever you create, then that's going to make less people come into 3D printing and just over time hurt the community of people, of makers. So the way I see it, a 3D printer is just a tool, kind of like a hammer or a lightsaber. And tools don't come with any obligation on how you should use them. You can use your hammer to pound nails or to tenderize meat. You can use your lightsaber to vanquish the Sith, or you can use it to cut packages, your Amazon packages open. There's no obligation on how to use a 3D printer, so there's no reason that you can't print just some simple stuff around the house, some bag clips or something, a coat rack. It doesn't have to be a super engineered, super ambitious project that, is daunting. The beauty of this tool is that nobody can tell you what to do with it. And if they do, it's your choice to listen or not. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Are you smelling what I'm baking? Itching what I'm scratching? All right, I'll stop. It's a nice feeling to see a 3D print successfully come off your print bed, especially when you're a beginner. You're not used to that happening. And it shouldn't matter where the STL file for that print came from. Shouldn't change that feeling. So guys, don't let anyone tell you that your projects have to be anything more than you choose. If it makes you happy enough to continue the hobby, then that's perfectly fine. So 3D printing is good for taking a design that you created and making it real. And it's just the same if it's not your design. So happy printing.